Okay, I got her off the float, and what I noticed, I can't lock it because this here needs to go right down and it won't lock. So I'm gonna have to, I think I'm gonna cut those steps off. That'll let it let those locks go down. But I think it'll work just fine. Bobcat lifts it okay, no problem. So we'll just get a couple minor things sorted out, be able to hook it up. Gotta change these couplers right here, right there, and there. Put flat-faced couplers on it, because the ones that are on the backhoe part of it are right here, and that's what I have to change it so that will work. And we'll see. That might take me a day or so. Got a couple jobs to go look at, so might not be able to get at it right away. Anyways, she's off the float.